Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya. Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very glad to see you all. It is an honor to have this opportunity attending International Conference PKM OSA Batch 11. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Niputu Hidayanti. I'm a Vice Secretary of IDPA Bali. I'm a lecturer in Bali International University. I'm also an editor, book and journal in Bali International University. Okay, today I will talk about utilization and bioactivity of Averrhoa bilimbi plant for health. Indonesia, from Sabang until Merauke, especially Bali Island, rich biodiversity. It's consisting of medicinal plant. It has the potential to replace chemical drugs with herbal medicine. One plant has many functions for our health. Is Averrhoa bilimbi. We can see the scientific classification. This plant from family Ossalidaceae, genus Averrhoa, species bilimbi, and the binomial name is Averrhoa bilimbi. We can see the plant. The plant consists of leaf, flower, and the fruit. All of part of this plant has many main role for health. Okay, the common names of this plant in English, the name is bilimbi, cucumber tree, tree sorrel, Spanish known as bilimbi, limoncino, mimbro largo. In French, known as Carambolier bilimbi. In Chinese, popular with name Sanlian, and other name consists of Averrhoa obtusangula stove, belimbing asam, belimbing bulu, kamias, kalamias, iba, kolonanas, talingpring, and so on. Okay, next. We talk about nutrition value of Averrhoa bilimbi. This plant is very rich in vitamin and mineral. Vitamin consists of riboflavin, vitamin B1, niacin, ascorbic acid, carotene, vitamin A, and the mineral consists of phosphorus, calcium, iron, and so on. Okay, and then we talk about ethnomedical use. Averrhoa bilimbi has main role, and we can produce the medicine agent from this plant as antibacterial, antiscorbutic, astringent, anti-inflammation, anti-diabetic, and antioxidant. Okay, this is phytochemical constituent from fruit of Averrhoa bilimbi consists of flavonoid, saponin, triterpenoid, phenolic, amino acid, citric acid, and from the leaves consists of alkaloid, tannin, saponin, flavonoid, glycoside, triterpen, and phenol, and from the flower consists of saponin, polyphenol, and flavonoid. All of this substance, this is a secondary metabolite, and it is give pharmacologist, and the researcher can produce this is as medicine agent. Okay, and then we talk about antioxidant activity of Averrhoa bilimbi. Okay, antioxidant are compound that protect cell from damage by interacting with free radical and neutralizing them. In recent years, much attention has been paid to the therapeutic potential of antioxidant in disease associated with oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can cause degenerative disease like cancer, stroke, and so on. The result obtained revealed that Aferobilimbi leaf extract display antioxidant activity in ferric, thiocyanate, and thiobarbituric acid method, while it was found to be inactive in DPPH aside. DPPH is a free radical, and in research, DPPH react with extract from Aferobilimbi and give antioxidant activity. Okay, and then anti-diabetic activities. Not only antioxidant, Aferobilimbi have anti-diabetic activity from Benis et al. Research. They have studied the hypoglycemic and hypolipidemic activity of semi-purified fraction of ethanol extract of Aferobilimbi leaf in high fat diet streptozotocin induced diabetic rats. This research is in vivo, and the results show that administration of an oral aqueous fraction to rats with SDZ-induced diabetes significantly increase insulin secretion and glucose tolerance, while simultaneously decreasing the activity of glucose 6 phosphatase in the liver. And then Aferobilimbi has anti-hyperlipidemic activity. Okay, Ambili et al. Has investigated anti-hyperlipidemic activity of the fruit Aferobilimbi in rats in using a model of triton-induced hypercholesterolemia. The fruit and its aqueous extract exhibit remarkable anti-hypercholesterolemic activity. They conclude that this fruit can be used as a food ingredient to prevent and treat hyperlipidemia. And then ethanol extract of bilimbi fruit significantly increase the anti-atherogenic index and the ratio of HDL cholesterol to total cholesterol. It also significantly reduces the rate of lipid peroxidation in the kidney. Okay, lipid peroxidation is the process from free radical bebas against our body, cell, and the cell in our body against the free radical bebas, and the process is lipid peroxidation, and the marker as malodialdehyde and superoxida dismutase. Okay, the study demonstrate hypotriglyceridemia and then lipid peroxidation and anti-atherogenic activity in SDZ diabetic rats. Okay, antimicrobial activity. Aferobilimbi Ethanol extract has significant antimicrobial activity against 6 pathogen, against 2 gram-positive bacteria, consists of Bacillus cereus and Bacillus megantherium, and 2 gram-negative bacteria, such as Escherichia coli and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and 2 fungi, such as Cryptococcus neoformansa and Aspergillus ocraceus. In another study, show that Averrhoa bilimbi fruit and root extract show positive activity against Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This bacteria cause the TB, tuberculosis, with MIC of 1,600 microgram per milliliter. Listeria monocytogenes Scott A and Salmonella typhimurium in an in vitro antimicrobial test. Okay, and the next anti-cancer activity, as we already know, prevalency of cancer increased from year to year. Until now, no medicine is found to treat it. Okay, cytotoxicity tests are used to find whether a molecule or extract is toxic to cell. Cytotoxicity tests are routinely used in screening for anti-tumor drugs. When analyzing Sri mortality in the research, it was found the ethanol extract of Averrhoa bilimbi leaf had moderate cytotoxic activity. We can see the data LC50 5.81 microgram per liter. In another study, methanol fruit extract and its fraction, carbon tetrachloride and petroleum ether show significant cytotoxic potential. We can see the data LC50 of 0.005, 1, and then 1.198 and 0.781 microgram per milliliter respectively, and compared to vincristine sulfate. Okay, thank you very much.